CAIRS surgery, planned in CAIRSPlan, seen through Apple Vision Pro. The plan floats in mid-air beside the Ziemer Z8 femtosecond laser console. Arc length stepped up to the planned 190 degrees. Inner diameter set to match the plan, 4.7 millimeters. Segment shape switched to double tapered, exactly as planned. Widths and thicknesses keyed in, value by value. Console and plan now match, checked before any cut. Next, the ring tunnel, programmed on the Z8 the same way. Channel position, depth and incisions, all mirrored from CAIRSPlan. Scrubbing in. The donor segment is prepared on the sterile field. The donor cornea under the scope. The view streams to the Ingenuity display. With Vision Pro, the live surgical feed floats beside the plan. The laser arm swings in over the mounted donor cornea. The Z8 cuts the segment from the donor, the arc and depth CAIRSPlan specified. A final check of segment position on the console. The full plan hovers in theatre. Topography, nomogram, laser settings. Setting up the microscope over the sterile field. The CAIRS segment is marked with ink dots along its length. Forceps lift the inked segment from the donor cornea. The cut segment is laid on the marker, Bowman's layer side down, to dry. Spaced ink dots keep the segment's orientation easy to follow. The marker is inked and brought down onto the patient's cornea. The patient's eye, prepped and draped under the microscope. The R-wide marker sets centration and cyclotorsion for the laser docking. The disposable patient interface is placed on the eye, guiding the FEMTO LDV Z8 arm across to the eye. Docking the laser handpiece over the planned axis. The channel plan on the console, the same numbers, straight from CAIRSPlan. The femtosecond channel is cut, back under the microscope, dissecting the channel along the femto cut. The central red keratoscopy reflex shows the preoperative corneal shape to compare later. Laid Bowman's layer side down before it goes on the heater. Dried for 60 seconds on a laboratory heater at 40 degrees, now thinner and stiffer. Back under the scope, the eye framed in the drape window. The dried segment is stiff enough to pass straight into the laser cut channel. Handled much like an acrylic intracorneal ring segment, The segment is advanced around the arc, marks aligned to the axis ink. Fine rotation to the planned position. Adjusting the segment's position in the channel. The segment lies along the planned arc in the intrastromal channel. A reverse Sinskey hook draws the segment across from the other incision. The plan that started it all, still floating beside the microscope. The final keratoscopy reflex is checked, round and regular centrally. A reverse Sinskey makes the final adjustment to the segment's position. The case ends with subconjunctival dexamethasone and cefazolin. A last look at the result.